You've got a diploma and a transcript that tells the world that you've got a degree, but you'll be working with your hands. So it's important that you also share your story through projects, pictures, and words. One important and the most common tool you'll use to tell your story is your resume. Your resume should look a little different compared to most templates you'll find online. Because your work experience won't likely demonstrate your collision repair abilities, you'll want to focus more on skills you have and projects you've completed in addition to your education. You'll also want to share any certifications you've obtained while in school. A lot of schools offer industry-recognized certifications for welding and refinishing, and you'll want to showcase these if you have them. It's also important to share any awards you may have received, anything from recognition for perfect attendance to Skills USA medals, and if you're involved in any auto club or other leadership organization, you'll want to share that too. Potential employers like to see young leaders. When sharing details of the skills you have, be sure to be honest and share examples that highlight your expertise. And if you've done projects as a team, you'll want to share that as well. Teamwork is a talent that a lot of employers are looking for. One great way to share the story of you and your skills is with a portfolio, highlighting projects you've been involved in. If you haven't been actively working on a portfolio, don't worry. You've surely got some photos on your phone and your social media channels. A strong portfolio not only allows you to share your skills through pictures, but it could also give you the opportunity to share your creativity. This might be very interesting to a business owner looking to hire somebody for their refinish department. And your portfolio can be more than photos. Incorporating video gives employers an even deeper look into your skills and expertise. Showcasing your work and telling your story are important when you're trying to make an impact on a potential employer, especially when you don't have a long work history to lean on. But you've worked hard, you've got a skill set that is in need, and you're ready.